How y'all doing today? My name is Gekko and this is going to be my first video on YouTube. But today I'm going to show y'all something that I made up in Photoshop. So let's get right into it. So first thing first, you want to start like a new file. It could be anything of your choosing, like the dimensions. Right here I'm just doing something for Instagram. So right now I'm just going to pick a solid color. I'm going to make that black. Then after that I'm going to go and head over to the brushes tool. And after brushes tool, I'm basically just making little stars like it's kind of space, and I'm going to put the earth right in the center. So when you finish doing that, I'm going to grab my earth and I'm going to put it right in the center. And it says select subject or remove background. You want to press remove background. That basically remove everything but the subject. And then I'm going to head over to my eraser tool, and then I'm going to zoom in and get all the knickknacks that the Photoshop didn't get. So what I'm doing right here is I'm getting all the pictures that I want, and I want them to be behind basically the main subject, which is earth. So I'm just getting all of my pictures, I'm just adjusting it. So when you finish doing that, I'm gonna go over and I'm selecting each layer, and I'm just basically gonna merge them all together. And when you merge them all together, then you're gonna head down to the gradient map, and this is basically where all the magic happens. I swear to God. You basically just want to color scheme your pictures, and to be honest, you can really choose whatever colors you like. Photoshop allows you to pick as many as, I don't even know how much, but I did as many as 5 colors on this one. So I mean, just pick whatever color you like. If you fuck with it, you fuck with it. So this is really where the effect really happens. So what you want to do is outline every single thing. And what I mean by every single thing, I mean by every single thing. Small, little, big, every single eyeball, mouth, everything. I can't say the more time you spend on it, the more it will look better. I mean, if you really want to half-ass it and rush through it, you can. But like, the more time, you do it, and be really easy with it. Like I said, you don't have to like be really detailed on those very smallest thing, because this shit can take about like 2 hours, probably even more, depending on what you're trying to do. So that's basically it. If you really want to put the cherry on top, one thing I do is AI generative, and it's basically what it is. Like, if you select a portion of a photo, it would basically generate like a random thing or something that's close to it. So if you have like a lot of hard edges and you want to erase that, AI generative, it actually does wonders, to be honest. And like, sometimes it's boof, sometimes it works. So it just really depends. I mean, that's all for this tutorial. Like I said, just outline every single thing like you see here, and the effect would be cool. If you have any questions, comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. Like I said, this is my first video, so more is going to be on the way. I try to keep this tutorial like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So hopefully I did a good job on that. Talk to y'all next time.